The U.S. Air Force has selected Boeing's F-47 as the winner of the next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program, marking a significant leap forward in air combat technology as global military threats, particularly from China and Russia, intensify with rapid advancements in hypersonic weapons, cyber warfare, and AI-driven operations. The F-47 is being designed to counter these emerging challenges. The fighter's development is part of a broader strategy to ensure U.S. air superiority for the coming decades. Boeing's extensive research and testing, including the successful flight of a full-scale NGAD prototype in 2020, have demonstrated the fighter's formidable capabilities, which are expected to surpass existing aircraft like the F-35 and F-22. The F-47 is equipped with a range of cutting-edge features, including stealth-to-point-zero technology, which offers enhanced radar evading capabilities. An AI-powered co-pilot is embedded to assist with strategic decision-making, enabling faster response times and more complex mission planning. The fighter will also be accompanied by AI-controlled drones that can perform reconnaissance, offensive or defensive tasks during high-risk missions, significantly expanding the aircraft's versatility in combat. Moreover, advanced weapon systems, including directed energy lasers, are integrated into the F-47 to counter not only traditional threats, but also to disable or destroy incoming missiles, UAVs, and other high-speed projectiles. However, the F-47's $300 million price tag per unit and the $19.6 billion R&D budget allocated over 5 years have raised concerns within defense circles, particularly with the looming possibility of budget cuts in the coming years. These financial challenges are further complicated by China's own development of a sixth-generation fighter, which could potentially alter the balance of power in air combat. Despite these obstacles, the F-47 remains a cornerstone of U.S. efforts to maintain its technological edge in an increasingly volatile global security environment.